Warm-heartedness means sense of concern of others' well-being. Consider others also just like me. Truly human brothers, sisters. They also want happiness, do not want suffering. We are social animal. Each individual's sort of happy life depends on the rest of the community. So the rest of the community or others is ultimate source of your own happy life. So taking care of their right, once that kind of sort of thinking there's no room exploitation, bully, cheating, lie, because you respect them, you develop, you take voluntarily sense of concern of their well-being. So ultimately warm-heartedness, sense of concern of others' well-being is the key thing. This we already equipped from childhood. As soon as we're born, we received maximum affection from our mother. This biological factor, the affection already there because we survived by human affection, mainly mother's affection with mother's milk. So that experience is really deeply absorbed in our body, in our sort of say, genes or blood. So everybody have that sort of seed already there. Now question is, nowadays you see young children, I think they more concerned about others' affection rather than their money or their power, their social background. They don't care what's their social background. And eventually we grown up and become like our governor, more white hair, gray hair, and more wisdom. I myself also, you see, getting older, then unless we pay special attention, otherwise these basic biological factors or values then dormant, right? Dormant.